Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation, here with another little reading, listening exercise and reading. Today we're doing Asambe by Slindile Dube, found on African Storybook, as you can see above. Cool. So Asambe, that means let's go. So Asambe, let's go. You might hear people saying Asambeni, that means let all of us go, all of us, let's go. But Asambe, let's go, one person to one person. So ngekhala lami, with ngekhala, the nose, lami, with my nose, ngekhala lami, nginuka amasogis angcolile. I smell amasogis, socks, angcolile, which are dirty. So nginuka, ngi is I, nuga, smell, amasogis, socks, angcolile. And note that amasogis, ama gets an a link with angcolile, which are dirty. Ngekhala lami, let's go back to that, with my nose. Ngekhala lami, with my nose. Nginuka izimbali ezinhle. Nginuka, I smell, izimbali, flowers, ezinhle, which are beautiful. Zinhle is also a girl's name in Zulu, and that might come from izimbali ezinhle, meaning beautiful flowers. Again, back to the first page. Ngekhala lami, with my nose. Oh, sorry. Ngamehlo ami, with my eyes. Ngamehlo, with the eyes. Ami, my eyes. Notice the difference between ngekhala lami, and ngamehlo ami. Depending on what of yours you're speaking about, that ami will change a bit. Ngibona ibhalunde lindizela emoyeni. Ngibona, I see. Like sawubona, which is hello, I see you. Ngibona, I see. Ibhalunde, a balloon. Lindizela, ndiza, to fly. Emoyeni, in the sky, in the air. Ngamehlo ami, with my eyes. Let's go back there. Ngamehlo ami, with my eyes. Ngibona ikati elijabulile. Any guesses there? A purring cat is happy. Ngibona, I see. Ikati, a cat. Elijabulile, which is happy. And now I can ask you a quick question there. So, does he or she ubona inja, a dog, ejabulile, which is happy? Does she see a happy dog? Ubona inja ejabulile, does she see a happy dog? And you say cha, no. Ubona, she sees ikati elijabulile. Okay. Does she see a happy elephant? Ubona indlovu ejabulile? Cha, no. Ubona ikati elijabulile. Does she see a happy rat? Ubona igundan elijabulile? Cha bo. Ubona ikati elijabulile. Ngolimi lwami, with my tongue. Nginambitha ulwandle olunosawoti. Okay, for some reason I taste nginambitha ulwandle, the sea, olunosawoti. Usawoti sounds like salt. So I taste the salty sea. Nginambitha, I taste iwolinji elimnandi. Okay, so she tastes a delicious orange. and I can ask you some questions about that. Does she taste a delicious pizza? Unambitha ipizza elimnandi? Cha. Unambitha iorange elimnandi. Does she taste a delicious chocolate? Unambitha uchocolate omnandi? Cha. Unambitha iorange elimnandi. Ngesandla sami. Isandla. A hand. A hand. Ngesandla sami, with my hand. Ngibamba isandla sakho. I hold your hand. Oh, there we go. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Salane kahle.